Avalanche is at present at the #10 position in the digital money market. It made some all-memories high of Mana 146.22 on Nov 2021, while the ongoing cost is around $58, somewhere near 60% from its AV. Has the Avax token lost its appeal? Will Avax crypto recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other important questions in our Avalanche value expectation and significantly more. The outline of Avalanche. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Syra in September 2020, for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the Avalanche network will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment biological system, Avalanche will carry extremist change to fund. The Avalanche biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and instruments with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off diffy applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other trend-setting innovations. An essential contrast between Avalanche blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework advances. Avalanche Avax. The intrinsic potential. Without a doubt, the Avalanche blockchain has extraordinary potential and will quite often be the most alluring digital currency, principally for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Avalanche crypto. Arising as a very unique and dynamic power, Avax will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The digital currency value forecast is dependent upon the presentation of the individual symbolics foundation, its headways, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax forecast, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide simultaneously. The ongoing Avalanche cost is around $58, with a market capitalization of $21,865, $336, $513. The 24-hour exchanging volume of the Avax token is 909, 194, 465, with a coursing supply of 377, 416, 536 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications, remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The Avalanche gauge is absolutely reliant upon cryptographic money market development. A blast time for Avalanche drives the value conjecture to remain legitimate on this record before long. Made by Avalabs, this coin has endured for an extremely long period, so it is critical to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure before long. Be that as it may, carry out your groundwork to check your gamble resilience. Avax Value Expectation 2024. As per Avalanche cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin might exchange between the scope of $35 to $100, where $35 is the base cost and $100 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of presumptions that the Avax coin might have a typical cost of $67. Avalanche Value Expectation for April 2024. Our Avax cost gauge recommends that the cost of Avalanche crypto could exchange somewhere in the range of $42 and $69 during April, with a typical cost of around $55. Avax crypto expectation for May 2024. In light of our Avalanche cost gauge, the base exchanging cost may be $44, while the most extreme value level could reach $71 toward the following month's end. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Avax crypto may be around $57. Avalanche crypto value expectation for June 2024. Our Avax crypto conjecture recommends Avalanche could exchange between $52 least and $78 greatest during June 2024. Overall, we anticipate that Avax should be around $65. Avax crypto value expectation for July 2024. As indicated by our Avalanche coin cost forecast, We foresee the Avax cost to exchange somewhere in the range of $54 and $85 during July 2024, with a typical cost of around $69. Avalanche value figure for August 2024. Our Avax cost expectations propose that the Avalanche cost could go from $58 to $86 in August 2024, with a typical cost of around $72. Avax conjecture for September 2024. Our Avalanche Avax cost expectation predicts an exchanging range somewhere in the range of $65 and $89 during September 2024. The typical cost of Avax crypto is anticipated to be around $77. Avalanche crypto gauge for October 2024. In view of our Avax cost figure, we anticipate that Avalanche should exchange somewhere in the range of $69 and $93 in October 2024. The typical Avax cost is anticipated to be around $81. Avax expectations for November 2024. Our gauge recommends the Avalanche Avax cost for November 2024 could go from $75 to $97, with a typical cost of around $86. Avalanche expectation for December 2024. In view of our Avalanche Avax cost conjecture, Avax is supposed to exchange somewhere in the range of $76 and $100 in December 2024. The typical cost for Avax is anticipated to be around $88. Avalanche value expectation 2025. The Avax token is supposed to have least and most extreme upsides of around $60 and $180 individually, according to our Avax cost expectation for 2025, while the typical cost may be $120. Avalanche coin value expectation 2026. According to our Avax cost conjecture, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $161, with a base and most extreme cost of $82 and $240 separately for the year 2026. The instability of the Avalanche cost is supposed to be very low, according to our Avalanche cost expectation. Avalanche crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the Avalanche cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Avalanche cryptographic money might exchange a scope of $112 and $302 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest, while the typical cost of Avalanche might be $207. Avax forecast 2028. Our Avalanche cost expectation for the year 2028 proposes that the typical cost might be $241, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $121 and $360 individually. Avax coin value forecast 2029. According to our Avax's cost expectation, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a typical cost of $274 for the year 2029, while the most minimal and greatest cost of the Avax token for the year might be $143 and $406 separately. Avalanche value forecast 2030. By 2030, our Avalanche cost forecast 2030